how important it is to apply vitamin C serum and to include that into your skincare routine. And I know there are so many vitamin C serums available in the market. It's pretty difficult to choose which one is best for you. So I have something very exciting for you. So I have something that I have been using, I think, from last 2-3 months, and I've been loving it constantly. I have completely finished one bottle of this. So this is the Wow Vitamin C Serum. This is how the bottle looks like. It's pretty handy and it comes with like a pump dispenser, which makes it pretty convenient. And Wow is a brand that I have been using and loving from 2 years now. I still remember I bought their onion range because it was something that was raved about back in the day and still. So to apply it, I always apply it before my moisturizer and after my toner, and the correct way to apply is to take 1 or 2 pump into your palms, and then you're gonna warm the product into your fingers and always apply onto your face in dabbing motions, because that's how you will just get that serum into your skin really nicely. I would highly suggest you to include dabbing motion into your skincare routine as well, as it really helps in getting your skincare products into your skin nicely, and they work more efficiently onto your skin and will give you visible results in like a month or so. And skincare is a journey, guys, and you cannot expect results from it like instantly. So I would highly urge you to practice your skincare products at least for a month to see visible results, and this is something that has shown me some visible results in a month. Wow products are cruelty free, parabens free and vegan, and you know that you are applying natural ingredients on your face as well as on your hair, and their body care range is also great. But this video is all about that how good their vitamin C serum is. If you are facing pigmentation issues or dullness issues, as in summer everyone's skin goes through a really hard time, because our skin tend to get really dull because of the heat and UV rays and whatnot, dust, and India is all about pollution. So yes, I think vitamin C serum, and specifically from Wow, really helped me in reviving that glow. And moreover, it also helps in dark circles. Yes, vitamin C also helps in dark circles. So if you're someone who is facing like severe dark circles, this can definitely lighten up your dark circles. So for me, it is one of the best vitamin C serums available in the market. You can definitely give it a shot.